Body language is part of a bigger skill. So it's watching that and seeing if I can figure out what's coming next or why they're doing it.
To some extent, it's like astrology, although I think it's a little bit more actually concrete based.
It's one thing to lie in your mind. It's another thing to lie with your entire body.
Everybody would get exponentially better if they practiced law or if they had children. Adults lie in a way that's not much different. It's just more honed and it's more skilled and more trained over time.
Is that Viva would be a better liar than me because he's married and he's got young kids.
A very simple, cheap trick is raise your brow. But that brow automatically causes the person to rifle through their own Rolodex in their head and say, how do I know this guy?
He'll be like, fat people bad, skinny people good. I mean, nobody believes that. All kinds of lawyers believe that. That's why they pick terrible juries.
My favorite accomplishment is I've been cited in Cosmopolitan 6 times for dating.
It was quite a surprise, but anyway,
that's fantastic.